You're watching Foxtecc, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn off announcements on your Airpods Max. Let's get right into it. Announcements on your Airpods Max are basically notifications that are set to go through your headphones, things like messages being read out loud by Siri. If that's something you'd rather not deal with, it's pretty simple to manage. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone and tapping on Notifications. From there, look for the option called Announce Notifications and tap it. You'll see a few settings here. If you want to stop all announcements completely, just toggle off the main switch at the top. If you still want announcements on other devices but not through your Airpods Max, you can leave that main switch on and just turn off the headphones option underneath. If you'd rather have more control and only stop announcements from certain apps, you can do that too. Scroll down in the same Announce Notifications menu, and you'll see a list of supported apps. Tap on each app and turn off the toggle for Announce Notifications. This way, Siri won't read out anything from those apps specifically, but others can still come through if you want them to. Once you've adjusted these settings, Siri will no longer read messages or alerts through your Airpods Max unless you've left certain apps enabled. And if you want even more control over when these things happen, you can use Focus Mode. Focus Mode lets you set custom rules for which notifications come through and when, perfect if you only want peace and quiet during specific times. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more useful tips. See you later.